This is the unboxing and review of a premium, genuine leather case without paying premium prices. I'm going to open it up and compare it with the case from Apple. Let's check it out. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I review techs, gadgets, do unboxing, reviews, and tutorial. Today, we are going to take a look at a genuine leather case by a company called TOOVREN that you get premium quality without paying premium price of an Apple leather case. Let's open them up, take a look at them. But first, if this is the first time you're visiting, please consider subscribing. Remember to turn on the notification button and don't forget to smack that like button. Let's get to it. Full disclaimer, they send me one for free so I can review it. However, I will be very unbiased when I give you my opinion about this. Let's open it up and then we'll do the comparison with the Apple leather case. So in this nice wood box, we have the case itself. And since it's a genuine leather case, you get the that really nice leather smell. Let's check it out. So first impression, I will have to tell you that it feels really soft but enough texture for your grip. The buttons are made out of metal, and inside you have a nice microfiber lining to protect your iPhone glass from scratches. And the material outside is from Cowhide, and they use special tan to get these colors. They offer 4 different colors: brown, blue, black, and gray, and they retail for $28. However, I do have a 50% off coupon that I will include at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. There is a nice, unique kind of like patina developing on the back of the case that you expect to get from leather cases as they age. So let's open up the Apple case and we can do a side-by-side comparison. The Apple case doesn't give that satisfactory leathery smell. Supposedly, they both have the same or similar material made from cowhide. So looking at it right off the bat, I could tell you Apple's case does not have that kind of like unique and random leather pattern, and this looks a little bit more rugged the way it looks. Looking at the lining inside, they both offer similar lining. Apple's lining is slightly softer. The buttons, the way they are constructed, they're very similar. The camera cutout, Apple seems a little bit smaller, and the opening at the bottom again is very similar. Looks like the bottom hooks or lips or wraps are a little bit smaller. To install it, you simply push the top 2 and then the bottom. And Siri, I don't need you right now. All right. So it is definitely a very snug feel, and it is not loose at all. It does have a decent amount of lip at the top. I will tell you that the lip seems a little bit thicker at the top versus the bottom. I get a fairly nice fit all the way around. Yeah, the glass seems to be protected. However, just to be safe, probably with most leather cases, I will be having a screen protector on top. In general, I'm a big fan of slim cases, and that's why I will go with these kind of cases. Prior to this, I had the Apple's silicone case, which is the grippiest of all. But again, for the price, $28 for a genuine leather case, which with the 50% coupon, you would only pay $14. And if you get it for your iPhone XS, which retails for $24, and with the 50% coupon, you will pay $12. I'm not sure how long the coupon will work. I will still include it. So by the time you're watching this video, you may end up paying full price, which again, $50 versus $28. So let's go ahead and test this on a wireless charger and see if this case is going to prevent us from charging this wirelessly, because they claim that this case would still allow wireless charging. It works. And last but not least, let's check out the buttons. They're very clicky. Let's see if you can hear it. Again, I have to tell you, I'm very impressed with the overall fit and finish. It's a nice fit and the material is really good. It smells good. I like the very unique pattern that is not uniform, similar to the Apple case. And you pay about half the price. Easy access to all the ports at the bottom. And you have a nice opening for your silent button on the side. A nice opening for the camera. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Please smack that like button. Comment down below, let me know what type of case are you using. Do you like slim cases? Do you use leather, silicone, or any other kind? And if there's anything useful you want to share with other viewers, please let me know down in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so.